Buenos dias, Enry Mom here, the Bentorni from Zambales City, and it's another day of Enry Kids Bento Baon, made personalized, fun, and nutritious. This Garfield Bento Baon was made for Ate Rica the other day. Yung ulam niya, Parmesan chicken. Favorite niya to, nagustuhan niya. Nung first time kong ginawa, nagtanong siya, Ma'am, ano yung chicken daw na nilagay ko? Sabi ko, yun, Parmesan chicken nga siya. And then, we also gave her some buttered corn and carrots. For our design, my third 90s cartoon character bento that I made, eto nga si Garfield. Kasi, growing up, I watched Garfield with my sisters kasi favorite nila si Garfield. Yung mga ates ko, si Ate Michelle and si Ate Aife, yun, parang nilang pinapanood. Tapos may mga stuffed toys and mga toys sila sa rooms nila. Kaya nagustuhan ko na din. The best thing that I like about Garfield, yung I hate Mondays. Yes, walang gana. Kahit hindi naman siya nagwo-work, or hindi naman siyang pumapasok sa school. Basta, he just hates Mondays. But, he loves lasagna and he loves chilling around. Yun lang, very chill siya, very nonchalant, wala siyang kebs kahit na anong mangyayari sa mundo. Kahit anong sabihin mo sa kanya, chill lang siya. Basta may lasagna siya. Diba? Sana ganyan na lang parati, Garfield. Ay, timing din pala na ginawa ko to para kay Rica because I always tell her, Rica, you're Garfield. Kasi favorite na talaga ang lasagna. And she's also very chill when, when walang mga assignments, performance tasks to make. Chill lang siya. Kaya I always tell her when I see her lounging about, wow, Rica, life is good. Anyway, when you saw earlier kung paano ko nilatag yung cut nori sa rice, di ba nahirapan ako? Kaya tinanggal ko and I put it by hand. Tapos ito, hindi na siya naging straight. Dapat straight na nakahiga si Garfield dito. Pero ayun, a little lifted yung elbow and buttocks niya. Hindi na siya straight. Anyway, nagmukhang Garfield naman siguro. That's it for now. Muchas gracias. Love, Enry Mom.